Hi guys, as this is not working, let's put a mail. I have already written the mail. So we have to send to Santosh and this ID, and subject will be issue in launching the instance ID with the lab 1. And this is some content which says I'm facing the issue with lab 1 of the cloud computing course on BITS OSHA Lab. Okay. While attempting to create the virtual lab as per instruction, this getting failed as indicated explicitly denied in the service control policy run instance section. So student details I will change it to Heera Thakur. Let me write original guides. Sonu Chiplal Sao and bits ID 2023WD86541. Kindly please check the flat policy and alternative. Thank you for your support, and then change your name to again 2023WD86541, and let's copy this from respected, compose, paste it. Now we have to go for subject. Everybody please make the changes, your name here and then your name here. Okay, I guess only one time also work, so remove this kite, not required. Okay, let me change it. Why to give twice, yaar? Sorry guys, sorry for my mistake. So give your name here and always use official BITS Pilani email ID, okay? And recipient, these two. That's it guys, I am sending. Please, I am sharing this in my description box. Please check, and you also send it because we have to submit on 22 and on 18th we are telling them that we don't have access or something, we are facing issues. Okay, so they will, when they will reply, when they will know, I don't know. They should reply, and it may need to be extended, guys. Till then, please subscribe my channel, guys. I'm helping you out. Okay, I'm sending it, and you also please send them. Okay, send it. Done. View. Array yaar, we didn't send them screenshot, guys. Here is the reference refer image screenshot. Here is the screenshot attached. Attach the screenshot also, guys. Screenshot, submit, send. Okay, no other information sent. Nice. This is visible, it's okay. That's it, guys. Let's wait and let's see what's